Well, in terms of common mistakes in ductless installation, and again, it varies by manufacturer, but there is quite a lot of low voltage wiring.
Whether it's in a branch box or, it's got to be proper. And again, it comes back to proper training.
Not everybody's comfortable reading a schematic. Some people learn, their brains just aren't wired for, looking at a piece of paper and then transferring that into a device, right? So a lot of what we do, we obviously try to avoid that issue because it is a common error. Low voltage wiring is a common mistake. It always causes problems. If something is not correct, the machine's not going to run. So a lot of what we do is just, again, going back to training, drilling down on proper wiring technique, show and tell. It's all about, I'm going to wire this. All right, I'm going to unwire it. I want you to do the same thing. I want to see how you do it, So, yeah, we do take time on jobs to train people and get them up to speed and just try to reinforce that.
Typical HVAC contractor, he's used to wiring everything with traditional thermostat wire, which is 18 gauge copper wire. Well, it can't be. It's got to be shielded wire. So proper wiring, proper low voltage wiring is essential or the system's not going to work right.